Okay guys, this is a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. It's got the V8 Hemi motor. This is a rebuilt title. Water damage on it, but we didn't have it do anything but a couple modules on it. Been driving around, everything drives great on it. This is fully loaded. It's got the sensor with the depth of cruises on it, lane assist. It's got LED lights, go right there. You see them blinking. So it's got Goodyears all the way around with some decent life on that tread. Leather. It's got rear heated seats. Cup holder. It's got a suede roof. Suede interior, one of their top of line, one of the big old panoramic sunroofs. Got a power lift gate. There's an equalizer hitch back behind that. It's got your dual exhaust. See how clean this is? Remember, this was totaled because of flood. There was no accidents on it. But look how clean that underneath looks. So this is an illuminated kick plate. It glows when you turn it on. Power seats. This thing's got super low miles, just under 20,000 miles on it. It's got the Harman Kardon sound system on it. Memory seats, automatic windows. Start up here for you. This does have a smart key with the remote start on there. Oh, I lied. It's 27,000 miles on it. 27 and a half. So there's your adaptive cruise control. It works. I've used it. Your crash prevention, your navigation, heated air conditioned seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.